For the last dip, the Queso Blanco, this is what you're gonna need. 1.5 pounds of Monterey Jack, half a pound of white cheddar, half a pound of white American, half a cup of chiffonade spinach, quarter cup of roasted serrano peppers, 2 cups of half and half, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. So I am using what is called a double boiler method. When you have your pot with a couple of inches of water, and then you put a top pot, it has to be smaller, it has to fit in the bottom pot. What's gonna happen is that the water is gonna heat up and it's gonna create the steam, and it's the steam that's going to melt your cheese. This way, you won't run the risk of burning your cheese. Add all of your cheese in the top pot. Once you see that the cheese is starting to melt, add your half and half and add your whipping cream. Make sure to fold it. That way it melts a little bit faster. Remember, it won't burn, but you do want it to go a little quicker. Once you get a little bit of that cheese pull, that's when you can add the spinach and the hot peppers. If you like your queso with a little more spice, then add some more peppers. If you want to add more spinach, go ahead, not a problem. But keep the ratio of cheese and creams as is. This is the best combination that I found to get that real, authentic Queso Blanco taste. This is also a very simple recipe. It's just a little time consuming to get everything melted, but it is very well worth it. I'm making a lot of it because I am taking this to a party. Come on, let's be honest. Who doesn't like Queso Blanco? After everything's done melting, pour it in a bowl and enjoy.